Hello and welcome to this presentation of Wayfair2Sage. My name is Ara Martirosyan and I'm going to show you how to integrate your Wayfair system to Sage. Wayfair already has an extranet or a partner portal which suppliers use to be able to manage things like printing labels for dispatches and things like that, or for their couriers. The way the Wayfair2Sage works is that it allows you to communicate in both directions with the Wayfair back office system. So Wayfair then send you a purchase order, and you would then import that into your Sage system as an EDI order. You then process that order as you would do any other order. So you would allocate stock to it, and you would then dispatch those orders. When dispatches take place, that then automatically brings the stock level down, and it also then allows you to let the Wayfair system know that the goods have left the building using an advanced shipping note. Finally, having dispatched the order, the Sage system then produces an invoice, and those invoices can then be sent back to the Wayfair system as EDI invoices. So let's have a look at this in action. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to import some EDI orders, then I'm going to allocate and dispatch them. Having done that, I will then export the advanced shipping notes as well as the stock balances. And finally, what I'll do is I'll upload the EDI invoices back to Wayfair. So here we are. We're in the Sage system there. So if I have a look at the sales orders, these have all been completed currently. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring in the latest EDI orders. I'll press one button in here, and this can run on a schedule or it can be done manually. So in this particular case, I'm just going to manually import all the sales orders. So if I just run that, it'll go off, look at the Wayfair system, see if there are any new orders, and just bring those into Sage for me. And I can see here it's just brought 3 in. Great. So I'll just exit that. And I'll just refresh that. And there we are, orders 71 to 73. So those are now in Sage, and what I can now do is then just process those. And if I just opened one of these up, you can see they're just giving you details of the product and so on. Right, so I'll highlight these and I'll allocate stock to them. So that's now been fully allocated. And the next stage in the process is to dispatch those orders. So let's just dispatch those, and I won't bother printing a goods dispatch note. Okay, so at this stage, the stock balances have changed, and I can send an advanced shipping note to Wayfair. So I'll press the stock button, and that will go off and take the latest Wayfair stock balances and send those off to Wayfair and send me an email, which we'll go and have a look at in a minute. And I'll now also send the advanced shipping notes to Wayfair. So what that will do is it will go and look at the items that have been dispatched and again send those off to Wayfair. So let's go and have a look at both of those. So here we are. Let me just refresh that. So there's the advanced shipping notes, and if I look at that, there it is, details of everything that's been sent for the Wayfair system. And there's the stock balances, and it's not all my stock details, it's only the Wayfair ones that have been updated back up to the system. Great. So having done that, I now have 3 new invoices. So if I refresh that, there we are. Those are the 3 new invoices that I now need to send back up to Wayfair. So again, what I'll do is I'll just go to the EDI button, and instead of doing orders in, what I'll do is I'll do invoices out, which is this button. That goes then through, looks at all of the invoices that are available that have not been sent to Wayfair, and it'll then produce a file which is then sent back to Wayfair for them to process into their system. And that's it. The cycle's been finished. So what are the key benefits of Wayfair2Sage? Well, it's incredibly quick and easy to set up, typically less than a day. It's very cost effective because the components can be purchased separately. So you can have your advanced shipping notes, you can have the stock balances, you can have the EDI orders in, invoices out, or you can have all 3 of those in one bundle. It saves time and money because you don't have the manual interfaces. The process can be either manual or automated. And finally, there's a free trial. So there's no risk. Please let us know if you're interested, and we can then just set you up on that. So what should I do next? You can register for the free trial on the website, or you can just send me an email on the r@red-it email address on the screen. And you can have a look at some of our other solutions on our YouTube channel to see if there's anything else that we can help you with as well. Thank you very much for your time and interest in Wayfair2Sage, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.